Hello everyone, this is Murtaza. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel and we look forward to your support. Sit back at leisure and enjoy the product video. This is Urbn Type C to Type C flat fast charging cable, fast data transfer, 100 watts and it's 4 feet long, flat and strong. It won't give away. And the best thing about this cable, it has a velcro, so you can use this cable at whatever length and whatever thickness you wish, and it is as simple as just rolling back the velcro like this to whatever size you want and use the cable as per your desire. Just roll it and use it. It is 4 feet long, about 1 meter, and strong. Thank you.